The Electronic Stability Program, or Electronic Stability Control Warning Light, is a critical safety indicator that requires immediate attention when it appears on your dashboard. ESP or ESC helps maintain vehicle stability by detecting when your car is losing traction and automatically applying brakes to individual wheels to keep you on your intended path. A solid ESP warning light indicates a system malfunction, such as sensor failure or communication error between components. This requires immediate diagnosis. A flashing ESP light means the system is actively intervening to maintain control. While normal on slippery surfaces, persistent flashing may indicate intermittent sensor problems. Start troubleshooting with a visual inspection. Check the brake fluid level, inspect wheel speed sensor wiring for damage, examine tire condition and pressure, and look for obvious suspension component damage. Next, perform basic system checks. Verify battery voltage is at least 12.4 volts. Check fuses related to ESP and ABS systems and ensure proper wheel alignment. Use an OBD2 scanner with ESP capability to retrieve stored fault codes, check live data parameters, and perform system component tests for accurate diagnosis. Common fault codes include CN95 for hydraulic pump motor circuit malfunction, CN145 for wheel speed sensor issues, C1200 for steering angle sensor problems, and C1230 for yaw rate sensor circuit faults. These initial troubleshooting steps will help identify the source of ESP warning light issues and guide you toward the appropriate repair solution. When initial troubleshooting doesn't resolve the ESP warning light, we move to component-specific testing. This involves detailed examination of individual sensors and their electrical characteristics. The steering angle sensor requires proper calibration, especially after wheel alignment procedures. This sensor tells the ESP system the driver's intended direction. There are two main manual reset procedures you can attempt. The first is a battery disconnect method, which clears temporary faults and allows the system to relearn. The second method is a steering angle sensor reset. This involves a specific sequence of steering wheel movements while the ignition is on, but the engine is off. Professional calibration using manufacturer-specific diagnostic equipment is often required after major repairs. This ensures the ESP system functions correctly with all vehicle components. Modern ESP systems are increasingly integrated with advanced driver assistance systems. This integration includes features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. In electric vehicles, ESP systems must account for regenerative braking forces and advanced torque vectoring. Over-the-air software updates can also resolve ESP issues without physical repairs. Staying updated with these technological trends is crucial for effective ESP troubleshooting. Modern vehicles require more sophisticated diagnostic approaches as systems become increasingly interconnected.